What if I would tell you that there is a super simple but effective way to skyrocket your Wix store sales? You see, when a customer places an order in your store, he will get this simple thank you page, aka Wix confirmation page. What would happen if I told you that it is possible to increase your customer's engagement, average order value, and generate more sales from the same customer? That's why we created AppSell. Using AppSell, you can optimize your thank you page and re-engage customers who just completed a purchase with your store. When a customer places an order, they're in the buying mode. Their guard is down, and that's exactly when you should start thinking of other relevant products to sell them. Using AppSell, you can improve your store's conversion rate, sales, and revenue significantly with the easiest-to-use Thank You Page Builder app. You can easily customize your post-purchase thank you page with discounts and exclusive offers on product recommendations that your customers can add to your cart with one click. So what are you waiting for? Stop thanking your customers after purchases and start selling them more.